Hello everyone, today we are at our Owensboro location taking a tour of our Briarritz. For more information on our company, our homes, or to fill out an online credit application, please visit us at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. As you enter, notice the beautifully crafted interior of this home. This Briarritz is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,580 square foot customizable home with a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom option with 2,670 square feet. This home has a number of higher-end features and lots of customizable options. So let's dive into this home, see what it has to offer. This home features 2x6 exterior sidewalls versus your typical site-built home having a 2x4 exterior wall. This improves both the energy efficiency of the home, having R19 rather than R11 in the walls, and it also strengthens the home structure. The Briarritz is built with TechShield roof decking. TechShield is an upgraded roof decking that keeps your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. Look at this beautiful kitchen as we walk around and see the appliances. There's a nice office space, also optional mudroom with 4th bedroom, 3-bedroom option, and nice walk-in pantry for lots and lots of storage. Back in the kitchen, we can see lots of counter space, lots of cabinets, upgraded appliance packages, and you can choose your own colors in this home. Your wall paints, your flooring. This is shown with our nice wood laminate flooring. There's several color options, trim options and color options as well, upgraded interior doors, huge master bedroom suite, the nice tray ceiling, got a 9-foot ceiling, and then the tray up there is an additional height in the master bedroom here. Really good space, sizable master bedroom. As we walk through, you can notice the huge walk-in closet in the master bedroom. This thing, the camera does not do it justice. Also, the closet shelving is all upgraded, and this thing is massive. Our Briarritz is also built with spruce lumber construction rather than pine. What does that mean? Well, spruce is a harder wood than pine, and it performs better. This home has all number 1 or number 2 grade lumber in its construction. And what a bathroom. Oh my. That lumber not only strengthens the structure of the home, but it also helps with the fit and finish of the home by keeping the walls, ceilings, floors all square and straight. Beautiful shower. Look at this walk-in shower. Loads and loads of space here. Nice tile, beautiful fit and finish, as they do a fantastic job with quality control. This home is also ENERGY STAR rated. It's actually above the ENERGY STAR standards for even more energy efficiency. Double sinks here in the master, nice French doors walking right out into the master bedroom again. Our Briarritz is also equipped with Croft windows that make for much more energy efficiency, higher quality window that lasts much longer than your standard windows. As you can see here, the home has lots and lots of windows for beautiful views. Now, walking back into the guest bedroom and utility room areas, you'll find your nice big utility room. Plenty of room for big freezer space in here, lots of cabinets, lots of storage. You've even got a nice sink here in your utility room as well. Spot for laundry, freezer space, big, huge electric panel. Guest bathroom, nice big tub in the guest, much larger than most. Back in the guest bedroom areas, you'll also find this home comes with a real wood burning fireplace, upgraded trim, crown molding, and baseboard. It also features 9-foot ceilings, 12-gauge copper wire with a huge panel box for adding an additional garage or basement, attic access, and upgraded kitchen appliances. This is the second guest bedroom here. It's a little bit larger. Both guest bedrooms are equipped with nice large walk-in closets. Our quality manufactured and modular homes are far faster to construct and more affordable than site-built homes. They are also fully customizable. You can design your own floor plan and choose how the inside and outside of your home looks. There are exterior roof pitches, custom dormers, and many more exterior options to choose from as well. Financing options in many cases are far easier on a manufactured or modular home as well. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. So please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. Kentucky Dream Homes is family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you very much for taking this tour with me today. It's been my pleasure to show you this nice Briarritz home. Thank you.